Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today let's talk about organization structure. Let's try to understand what organization structure is. Organization structure is the framework in which we perform functions or operations. ये हमें relationship बताता है that who is going to report whom. Now let's try to understand the structure with the help of an example. If you talk about a school or an institute, तो उसमें structure कैसे follow होगा? First there will be board of directors, then there will be principal, vice principal, headmistress, coordinator and then teachers. तो structure से हमारा ये clear हो जाता है कि who is going to report to whom, किस तरह से information circulate होगी, किस तरह से communication होगा. So in short, we can say that organization structure is the framework in which managerial and operating functions are being performed. Also, it specifies the relationship between people, work and resources. Now, generally two types of structures are being followed: functional structure and divisional structure. Now, functional structure is that type of structure in which we group similar or related jobs together. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि जो भी हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ है, जो एक तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ है, उनको एक डिपार्टमेंट में या एक फंक्शन में कैटेगराइज कर देते हैं. लेट्स से देयर विल बी डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स और डिफरेंट फंक्शंस, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग, प्रोडक्शन, फाइनेंस, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. तो ये सब अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट की तरह, अलग अलग फंक्शंस की तरह वर्क करते हैं, जिससे कि स्पेशलाइजेशन आता है, एक्सपर्टीज होती है एंड इट विल बी ईजी टू अचीव द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स. डिविजनल स्ट्रक्चर हमारा कहाँ पर फॉलो होगा? उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, या तो जिसके डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट लाइन्स है या फिर जिसकी डिफरेंट यूनिट्स है अलग अलग जगह पर. तो वहाँ पर जो उसकी अलग अलग डिवीजन होगी, चाहे वो प्रोडक्ट के बेसिस में या उसकी डिफरेंट लोकेशन के बेसिस में, उनके अंदर आपका फंक्शनल स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो होगा. So functional structure is part of your divisional structure. Divisional structure is a broader one while functional is a narrow one. Let's talk about the basic difference between these two types of structure. Functional structure, as we have already discussed, it is based on functional areas, and division structure, it is based on different divisions. वो divisions आपकी location के base में हो सकती है, product के base में हो सकती है. Now definitely functional structure proves to be economical one, and divisional structure may turns out to be costly if things are not done properly. There may be duplication of work and resources. Each department is not an independent profit center in case of functional structure. पूरी organization में different functional areas होंगे और हर department कोई अपना अलग profit center नहीं होगा, rather पूरी organization के लिए वो work करेगा. Whereas in divisional structure, each division or each department is an independent profit center. Functional structure, it's not easy to adopt for large scale companies, while for large scale companies we generally adopt divisional one. There is high specialization in functional structure while there may be low specialization in divisional structure, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारी activities होंगी. There may be duplication of work, there may be duplication of resources. So high degree of specialization is being seen in the functional one. Hope this topic is clear to you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, keep learning and keep growing.